Hey there, money mavens. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest financial hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from Capital One to Cash App in 2025. With the ever-evolving world of digital banking, this process has gotten even smoother, helping you send funds quickly for bills, gifts, or everyday expenses. Whether you're a tech newbie or a pro, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Capital One app installed on your phone or access to their website. It's 2025, so everything's mobile friendly. Start by opening the app and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Transfers or Move Money section. It's usually right on the main dashboard. Next, you'll need to add an external account. This is key because Cash App links to a bank account. Go to the Add Account option and enter your Cash App's routing and account numbers. Don't worry if you don't have them handy. You can find them in your Cash App settings under Bank or Linked Accounts. Pro tip: double-check these details to avoid any transfer delays or errors. Now, for the fun part, initiating the transfer. Select the amount you want to move from your Capital One account, choose the external account you just added, and hit Confirm. You'll get a verification code sent to your phone or email, so enter that to authorize the transaction. In 2025, most transfers happen almost instantly, but keep an eye out for any processing fees, which are typically minimal. Once the money hits your linked bank account in Cash App, you can easily access it for peer-to-peer payments or withdrawals. Remember, always monitor your accounts for security. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. And if you run into any hiccups, Capital One's customer support is top-notch and available 24/7. There you have it, folks. Transferring money from Capital One to Cash App is straightforward and empowers you to manage your finances on the go. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.